At Beacon Academy, we offer 3 different courses in mathematics post-GCSE. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about studying A-level further mathematics. My name is Rachel Bigwood, and I'm the head of Key Stage 5 mathematics here at Beacon. So to take further maths A-level, you have to be also studying mathematics at A-level. You will need to have got a level 8 or above in your GCSE. We need you to have a really solid base of your GCSE knowledge, and also you need to be doing particularly well in your maths A-level to do well in your further maths A-level. So you've got to be enthusiastic and be prepared to put in many hours of practicing, because maths just needs you to do hours of practice to retain the skills and to make sure you've had exposure to all the different types of questions that might come up. So the course is divided into 2 areas. So there's the pure maths and the applied maths. Each of those makes up of half the course each. The applied maths consists of statistics and mechanics, so each of those is therefore a quarter of the course. So the pure maths is made up of lots of different topics, lots of the ones that you study at A-level, but they're taken further and you'll broaden your knowledge of those. There's concepts that will be new, like complex numbers and matrices and polar coordinates. It's quite nice doing further maths because links will become apparent to you between all the different topics, which you perhaps, if you only studied maths, you might not realise the behind the scene things that link all the topics together. So it is quite nice to see all those connections. Also, the applied maths is statistics, so you'll need the A-level statistics knowledge, but we then extend on it. And you have chi-squared tests, Poisson distribution, and then we take the hypothesis testing and the binomial distribution a bit further than in the A-level maths course. And the mechanics, again, you need the knowledge from the mechanics in the maths A-level, and we look at Hooke's law, work, energy, power, and collisions. So you'll typically get 4 to 6 hours of directed learning per fortnight. And then you're expected to do at least 4 to 6 hours independent work. We do run after school keep-up sessions for any of our maths students to come to, or further maths students. So we're there to support you, but you are expected to do a lot of hours independent work. So you've got to be prepared to do that. Otherwise, you just won't do as well as you should. So at the end of the 2-year course, you actually sit 4 exams. There's going to be 2 pure, 1 mechanics and 1 statistics, all on different days. So the 4 exams, they're going to be 1.5 hours each, so 6 hours of exams in total. For all the exams, you'll be allowed your calculators and you'll be given a formula sheet with lots of key information, but there will also be other formulas that you are going to have to memorise or be able to derive yourself. As with an A-level in mathematics, having further maths puts you in a good position to study a wide range of subjects at university, subjects that have a maths element to them. It's not often a prerequisite for courses, but if you're thinking of studying mathematics at degree level, it's probably a good idea to consider further maths. The first year at university is quite often pretty much further maths A-level, so it'll put you sort of ahead of the game if you are looking at doing some kind of maths degree. And also for engineering and potentially computer science or physics, it's a good supporting subject. I hope this video has been useful. If you've got any questions about this A-level or any of the other maths A-levels, please do get in touch with me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you've got.